Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on your Android device. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to download the Fortnite on the Android device, you can check device compatibility. Fortnite is not available on all the Android devices. To check if your device is compatible with the game by visiting the official Fortnite website. And also guys, you can download the Epic Games app on your Android phone or the tablet, and download the Epic Games app by clicking on the download the app from the Epic Games button on the official Fortnite website. You can download from Samsung Galaxy Store. If you have a Samsung device, you can download Fortnite from the Samsung Galaxy Store.